Who are you? I never seen you around here before. Well, anyways, welcome to Outpost 7.
I'm Plug. What do you guys do here at Outpost 7?
This is a specialized outpost that gathers survivors of the apocalypse and trains them. I know it doesn't seem like we have much men here, but this is in the main base. And that's where we train all of our people. Come, let me show you inside, and we'll discuss more. Alright, so soon enough, when we gather enough survivors, we're gonna head out to our main base, alright?
Wait, what do you mean, survivors?
You know, the apocalypse. Wait, you don't know? Well, a couple of weeks ago, a scientist was experimenting on an illegal substance and released toxic radioactive gas, and people started going crazy, grouping up, and started killing everyone. Where were you for the past few weeks?
Well,
Ah! You gotta move! Ooh, energy sword. Punch it. Let's do this. Where are you taking me? You'll see. I never got a chance to introduce myself. My name is Cam, Corporal Cam. Alright, this is the meeting room. And that down there, my friend, is the firing range. There's some people I want you to meet down there.
oh well. Okay.
Hey guys, we got a new recruit here. His name is Plug, Private Plug. Plug, these are two of my good friends and also the people that are in charge of this place. Oh, hello, Private Plug. I'm Captain Cross.
Yo, I'm Sergeant Nickel. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, well, nice to meet you guys too.
Well, let's go upstairs and get you some new armor. Your armor sucks.
Yeah, your armor blows, man. Your armor blows.
Yeah, you guys are right. Let's go.
Yo. Yo. I think at like 12:30 it'll be done.
Alright, go inside and get changed.
How do I look?
Wow, you
That's
look
really
awesome,
cool.
dude.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
awesome.
look
Woo! Yeah.
Oh, whoa, don't get ahead of yourself, soldier. You're now a member of